Hi, Matt here. Today we're going to be making sure that the inner wash basket of our GE washer is okay. It's the basket where you put the clothes inside the washer, and there's a liquid-filled ring on top to keep it in balance. This is a really simple test, so let's dive in. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this video, we don't need any tools, but for safety purposes, it's always a good idea to unplug the machine or turn off the circuit breakers before you do anything. In order to test it, we're just going to open up the washer lid, and then we're going to grab the inner wash basket and shake it back and forth. You should hear the liquid sloshing around inside of it. If you don't hear any liquid in the balance ring, then you have to change out the whole basket. Then we can plug the machine back in and take it for a spin. If that was your problem, you can take your model number and search for the correct part at AppliancePartsPros.com. If it wasn't, we have more videos to help you diagnose your issue. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos on how to fix thousands of different appliances. We'll see you next time.